Hi everybody, this is April. I just finished watching that video about the Cheesecake Factory chick, and it was a video a couple days ago that I saw about some chick who had been ignoring a dude for a long time, and then when she finally answered, she I guess wanted to go to this I don't know if he went to, she went to the seafood. They went to the seafood place and she ate all of these. She was ordering all this stuff and he wound up sticking her with the check. And now we got this Cheesecake Factory girl. Now, the girl, when they went ahead and arrived at the Cheesecake Factory, she, was basically, oh, I'm too good for this and that. Now, when you actually watch the video, you actually hear him explain that he actually was going to take her to a very, very fancy restaurant. But her attitude was so nasty and stank that it was her fault that they wound up missing the reservation because she had him waiting for an hour. Okay? And then didn't even take accountability for the fact that she was the one who made them late. And, it was the dude who was kind of narrating the video saying, oh, he was about to simp out and all this stuff. Look, let me tell you something. And the dude who was narrating the video also said, you shouldn't spend money. He didn't say that kind of money. He said you shouldn't spend money in general on a woman on the first date. Look, let me tell you something. When you getting to know somebody, there's nothing wrong with going out to a restaurant or something like that. But it is the type of person that you choose to take out. Okay? I'm making this video because that woman does not, they tried to kind of make it into a white-black thing because the dude was non-black and she was black. And first of all, it doesn't matter what color she is. She does not represent all women. She does not represent all black women. That is just plain ridiculous. Okay? You should not take that woman anywhere. This is the reason why you have some girls who be getting played. There are a lot of times, if you have a chick who's sitting here saying, well, I'm not, I'm high class and all this stuff, then why is it that when you finally go to a fancy restaurant, you act like you never been there before? When y'all go to these fashion restaurants, I probably wouldn't have ate like this, but it was on him. But I thought you was familiar with this already. These women, man. All I got to say to guys, if you come across a female who's entitled like that, she deserves to get played. If she give you her tail to kiss, she's being rude, this and that, having all these expectations. And I want to sit here and say that it is a huge difference in having standards versus just being entitled. Okay? There's a huge difference in you just loving yourself. Okay? That doesn't mean that you mistreat other people and be disrespectful and give them your tail to kiss just because you're saying you're loving yourself. That is a whole, they totally misunderstanding what loving yourself means. That doesn't mean that you try and treat people like crap. And like I said, try and treat people like crap because people can only treat you how you allow them. Okay? And if you take a female somewhere and she's trying to spend all your money, I think you should say, oh, hold on, let me go to the bathroom, and then leave her with a check. I'm sorry. Because a lot of these videos where you have girls being left with a check, a lot of times they do all that just because somebody else is paying. But if you're so called used to that lifestyle, then why are you acting like you've never been there before? The only reason that I even know about certain places, is because I be watching these videos and these girls they just be ridiculously ghetto. They just be ridiculously ghetto. And a lot of us come from where we come from, but you don't have to have such a stank attitude. You don't have to have such a nasty attitude. This is the reason why girls like that need to get played. So go ahead, y'all. So go ahead and take her to that nice restaurant. Be cool about it. Take her to that nice restaurant. Let her order whatever she wants. And then go to the bathroom.